Ever wondered how a quantum computer could change everything? Let's dive into the world of quantum computing. Think about a computer so strong that it could work with data quicker than all the computers in the world put together. Quantum computing is not just a fantasy. It's something real that's getting better every day. To get quantum computing, we first need to know the basics. Normal computers use bits that can be either a 0 or a 1. But quantum bits, or qubits, can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. This is because of something called superposition. That means a quantum computer can work on a big bunch of things all at the same time. But hang on, there's more. Qubits can get tangled up with each other. Imagine this. Due to a thing we call quantum entanglement, what happens to one qubit can affect what happens to another one, no matter how far apart they. It's this feature that lets quantum computers solve tricky problems much quicker than normal computers. You might be asking, how do you even program a quantum computer? Well, programming a quantum computer is not like programming a regular one, about making codes that use special features like being in many places at once and being mysteriously connected. People who study and create these codes are still figuring it out. Imagine what we could do with quantum computing. It's very exciting. It could help us in healthcare, predict the weather better, make our online places safer, and even help us manage our money. It could change everything about how we live. But it's not all fun and games. Quantum computing has some big roadblocks too. One main problem is that keeping the condition of qubits steady is really hard because they can easily get disturbed by things around them. This is a big problem that scientists are trying to fix. Even with these problems, everyone's trying to make strong, trustworthy quantum computers. Big companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft are putting heaps of money into this modern technology. So, to put it simply, quantum computing is a game-changing tech that uses the rules of quantum mechanics to do calculations. Instead of using regular bits like your everyday, it uses something called qubits. Now, these qubits are a little tricky. They can be in more than one state at the same time because of a thing called superposition. And they can get tangled up, or entangled as we say, which lets quantum computers deal with info way faster and efficiently than your normal computer. When we talk about quantum programming, we're talking about coming up with ways to make use of these special quantum things, which can be a bit of a head-scratcher, but a really fun challenge for computer whizzes. Now, keep in mind, all this quantum computing stuff is pretty new, and it's changing all the time, pushing the limits of what we know about computers and even So, keep your eyes open, because this quantum future thing is closer than you might think.